I'll show you how to create this simple textured beach artwork. It is beginner friendly and kept minimal on purpose. The active working time is roughly 15 minutes and then it just needs to dry. I'm only going to need these materials. So I have a canvas, a palette knife and a paintbrush. Then acrylic paint, I have raw umber and some titanium white, texture paste, and then a palette to mix some paint on. And that's everything we'll use. Our first step is to paint the beach. So I'm just mixing some of the raw umber with titanium white. Then we'll take some paint on our paintbrush and we're gonna paint the beach roughly from the top corner to the bottom corner, and we'll go for long steady strokes to get an even coverage of paint across the canvas. Just ensure you have enough paint on your brush and you'll do fine. This doesn't have to be perfect. And one possible mistake you might do over here is that you paint, then you stop and lift, and you leave that sort of mark. So rather go for long and steady strokes. And I'll also paint the sides. Then I'll let the acrylic paint dry just for a few minutes. We won't be needing the brush anymore, so you can wipe it and rinse it clean with water. And while we wait for the paint to dry, we can start preparing our texture paste. And the first thing to always remember to do before you use any texture paste is to mix it properly inside the jar. See how the consistency will change once we mix the paste. So that's it. Just open the jar, give it a good mix, and you can see how it became smooth and creamy. And if you're curious about the texture paste I'm using, I'll link it in the description for you. And next step is to apply the texture paste to the canvas to create the waves. And I have some texture paste loaded here on my palette knife. Then you can just put it on the canvas, and I'll be pushing it with my palette knife and then pulling back my knife and creating the wave like that. Let's do that again. So I'm just pushing the paste, then pulling back and turning the knife. So when I'm creating the wave, I have my knife roughly at a 45-degree angle, and then I pull it back against the canvas, and that creates the wave pattern. So I can just take some paste here on the canvas like so, and then we'll be moving the paste and pulling back, moving the paste, pulling back. So very simple motion, and you can easily practice this. And what makes texture art so beginner friendly is that if you're not happy with the result, you can just easily scrape off the paste and go again. So if you don't like those, for example, we can just scrape them off and we can repeat the pattern. And you can do this as many times as you want until the paste starts to dry, which takes around 30 to 45 minutes. Then I'll just repeat the waves until we get to the bottom right corner. And now that we have our first line of waves done, we can add some texture paste behind them, like so. So I'm just simply spreading some paste. And then we're going to take the bottom edge of the palette knife and just gently tap here on the paste to create some foam patterns that follow the waves. So this is just a way to add some more details to our ocean. Then we'll repeat the waves for our second row. So I grab some texture paste on the palette knife, put it down on the canvas, push, then turn my knife and pull it back. And they don't have to be symmetrical with the first row, so don't overthink it. Just apply some textures and play around. Then we'll add some of those foam details again, and the final row of waves. The design itself is completely finished now. So next we would let the texture paste dry completely and cure for about 24 hours, then it would be ready to hang. For your first painting, you don't need to worry about varnishing. Just take it slow, enjoy the process, and it doesn't have to be perfect. The key is to get started.